Which payment app is better? PayPal or Revolut? So let's discuss. Okay, so as we all know, PayPal is a widely used online payment system that allows users to make secure transactions over the internet. So I've been using a PayPal. I'm a PayPal user myself. It's really easy to use. It has a widespread acceptance among merchants and various functionalities because it allows users to make payments online securely without sharing financial information with the seller. It's particularly convenient for online shopping, and it enables users to send and receive money to friends, family, clients, business using email address or phone numbers linked to PayPal accounts. Now, many online merchants accept PayPal as a payment method, all right, making it convenient for you to make purchases across different platforms. And it also offers a certain buyer and seller protection policies, ensuring a level of security for both parties in a transaction. And nowadays, PayPal has integrated into e-commerce websites, making it easier for business to accept payments because it facilitates international transactions and currency conversions through fees might apply for, cross-border payments. They also accept crypto payments as of right now. And for the mobile app, it's very convenient to use and access. It also provides additional services like PayPal Credit, allowing users to make purchases and pay over time. Okay, now our next contender is Revolut, which is a financial technology company that offers a range of banking services through its app. Here, users can hold and manage multiple currencies within their Revolut account, making it convenient for international travelers or those dealing with various currencies. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates for currency conversion, allowing users to exchange money between different currencies at interbank rates. It also allows users to send money internationally with low fees. All right. They also issue a physical or virtual debit card linked to the account, which can be used for payments and ATM withdrawals worldwide. So I have a Revolut account as well. And basically, Revolut enables buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies within the app, offering exposure to digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. All right. Now, both PayPal and Revolut have their own strength, right? And they cater to a slightly different needs. All right. Revolut is known for its ease of use, especially for, all right, take note, international transactions and currency exchange. It offers features like free international money transfers, competitive exchange rates, and various financial services like budgeting tools, cryptocurrency exchange, and more. Right? Now, PayPal, on the other hand, again, is accepted by a large number of merchants worldwide and offers buyer protection. All right. If you ask me which one is better can depend on your specific needs. Say, for example, if you primarily need a payment platform for online shopping and transaction with a broad range of merchants, especially you have like a Shopify or e-commerce business, PayPal is the answer for you. It might be suitable for your business needs, all right? Now, if you're looking for a more versatile app for international transactions, currency exchange, and additional financial services, Revolut could be the better choice for you. But again, it might be helpful, to consider the specific features and fees associated with each app that align with your intended use. All right. And since I have both accounts, what I suggest for you to do is to open both and try their platforms so you can decide which one would be the best fit for you, because at the end of the day, it's all a matter of preferences, right? But these platforms are convenient and widely trusted by so many people and users, be it global or locally, right? And say for example, you wanted to have a demo, just go to revolut.com and paypal.com to get more information. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in our next one.